Would you like to triple the clicks on your emails when you're sending out an email? Then stay tuned. Then you definitely will like the product that I'm reviewing today, which is called MailEngageX. Stay tuned. Got some pretty cool bonuses. See you in a second. Hey guys, my name is Tim Verdouw from timverdouw.com and welcome to my MailEngageX review. Now, what is MailEngageX? MailEngageX is a product that's being released today, and it consists out of two products. The first product is Mailbox, which is an application that has been released a while ago and did really well. As you can see here on my website, it converted 25% during the rollout, and people love this tool. And this tool will help you to get triple the clicks in your emails that you're sending out. And next to that, it is also a Mail Mastery live training, which is a 6 weeks live training session all about email marketing, and that's done by Neil Napier. Now, if you know Neil Napier, he's an experienced internet marketer that is doing really well, does a lot with email marketing, so this is definitely a training that you will like. Now today I also have some cool bonuses for everyone who decides to pick up this product, MailEngageX, through my link. I got some very cool bonuses, very congruent to this product that you definitely will like, and I will show them at the end of my review. But first, let's dive into the software part of MailEngageX, which is called Mailbox. And this is the software that you're going to get access to. Now let me zoom in. So now you have a better view of my screen. So basically what this product does, Mailbox will add elements to your email that triple your conversions. And let me show that. Here are some elements that are created already, but it starts here when I click on create new element. You can choose from 25 different elements, and let me show you them. And the first one is personalized autoplay video. And this is very cool. What you can do with this application is, let me click on it. Here you can give it a name, a category, if you're working with categories. And then you can upload your own video, or the very cool thing is you can get your library where you can also use your YouTube video. So once you've uploaded a YouTube video, you can simply type the URL in here and you can say, this video needs to start at 2 seconds and I want to end it at 6 seconds. And then you can say, upload your video. And what Mailbox is going to do is it's going to create a really short video that it adds to your email. And basically that's a GIF file that is being added to your video. And you can also personalize your video with their first name. And that makes it really cool. Here at the left side, you also see the example. I don't have a YouTube video right now, but I'm going to show you another example so you can see the live preview here also at the left side. Now this makes it, I have an example in my email, so let me show you that. And this is the example that I made before this review. So here you can see I took a bit of my video on YouTube, and here it created a GIF file with the contact first name. So when I send out this email, it will type the name in here from that specific person. So you can personalize videos. Now, this is just one of the elements that you can do. Here's another autoplay video with a mute button, which when you have something like this in your email and people see a mute button, they're much more willing to click on an image like this or a video, a playing GIF file with a mute button than when you have an image in your email. So people want to unmute this video, which will give you more clicks in your email when you send out an email, which also means if you're selling things, you're going to make more sales. So if you triple your clicks, you also triple your sales in your emails. And that's what this product is all about, Mailbox, which is a product of MailEngageX. Now, there are also other elements like self-interacting elements. So here it says a yes and a no button, no bar. So do you want to take the following action? Yes, I want to know, thanks. Or you can say, you can ask for feedback. How would you rate this email? Or who is your favorite US president? So you do a poll in your email. Or you can do a question and answer in your email, or maybe a group event poll. So these are all options that you can apply to your email. Very simple. I'm going to show you how you can do that. Now, these are also very powerful conversion elements. So if you have a offer that expires at a certain time, you can configure your own timer here that ends at a specific date. You can send out your email with this timer so that people really have to purchase before the timer hits 0. So you can create great scarcity so that people will buy from you instead of having no timer at the end of your video, which will give you less clicks. And that's what Let Mailbox is all about. Now you can also do hello bar timers, or you could do personalized images. So at the beginning I showed you a video which was personalized, but as you can see here, let me see if I can zoom in. You can also do a personalized image where you can put their name into an image. Pretty cool, to make it more personal. So you got link preview cards. You can do call to action buttons. People click more on buttons. I've also seen tests from people adding buttons like this, and they increased conversions with 300%. So that's pretty awesome. There are footer widgets where you can configure. Let me zoom in so you can see that also how that looks like. So you can do your picture, you can do your following, and some smileys at the bottom of your footer widget. You can do a signature at the bottom of your email. There are engagement growth elements like follow us on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. Here are also social share buttons or a message that will destruct itself after a certain time. You can embed Twitter tweets. You can use YouTube embeds, video embeds, Google Maps. As you can see, a lot of options. You get 25 different options. Instagram embed, Pinterest embed, Twitter timeline embed, GIF files, of course, also important to have in your emails, image embed, and these are all the elements that you're going to get when you purchase MailEngageX. And this is all for a one-time investment, and after that it goes to a monthly fee. And that's also happened with Let Mailbox. People had to pay a monthly fee to get this product, and right now you get it for a one-time investment. But let me show you one other example. So let's take this yes no bar. So you can give it a name, yes no bar. Of course you need to give that name to your campaign. As you can see here at the left side, you can see it already. So here you can ask your questions. Do you want a free sample? And then you could do yes please or no thank you. Oh, no thank you here. So the cool thing is that at the left side you see automatically how this will look like in your email. You can even change the button. So if you say I want to have this a red button, for example, it will automatically become a red button. And you can also change the text color, but I like it the way it is right now. And once you're done, you simply click on save, and then it's this. And right now it's in here, and you can use this and add this to your website. Now, how do you do that? Let me show you that. Normally, I think I forgot one thing. Normally you get the code immediately, but you can copy here. When you go to the bottom, you can see copy HTML code or an autoresponder code. Now, this works with all these autoresponders automatically. You can copy this code and then you can add it automatically to all these autoresponders that you're seeing right here. Now, if your autoresponder is not in here, don't worry. You can go to copy, and then you can copy the HTML code. So like I'm using Infusionsoft, and Infusionsoft is not listed in this list. So how am I going to do that? Well, I go to my email, and then I simply create a new block. So if your email provider has a code block or an HTML code block that you can add to your email, then that's enough. Or you can, if you can modify the code of the email itself, then you can also add it. So I can simply paste this in here, and look what happens. Now this thing is in my email. So let me delete the previous ones. As you can see, now I can ask this question in my email. And do you see how cool that looks in an email like this? So if you write your email above, so let me get rid of this so you have a better ID. So it will look like something like this. Also, let me delete this block. You see, so if you're writing an email and then you add a block like this in your email, people are much more willing to click a link like this because it stands out instead of a normal link in your email. So this is pretty cool. Yeah, you can add this as a very simple way to your emails. To double or triple your conversions. And that is what Let Mailbox is all about. This is what you're going to get with the front end product. Now there are some upsells. So let me go through to the funnel. So the front end will cost $37. This is the price that will rise every day with the timer. So there's a timer on the sales page. This price will increase. So the sooner you buy it, the cheaper you're going to get it. And there's a second option which gives you the commercial rights, and this is $10 more, which is $47. So this is the front end product. That's what you're going to get, which I just showed you with Let Mailbox. Now, there's also MailEngageX OTO1, which is the pro version, which will cost you $27 monthly or $97 yearly. And that is adding extra things to Let Mailbox. Now, what are the extra things? Let me see if I got it here. This is the Pro, yes. So with the Pro version, you're going to get custom URLs. And I'm going to show you what that is also in a minute. You can create professional branded email links. And it will also get rid of the branding. So normally you're going to get this in your email, like you just showed, powered by Let Mailbox. It's going to get rid of that branding also. Plus, what you're also going to get is a links option to create links that you can cloak, for example. So here is a link. So this is a URL. Let me show you. This is a website, which is called, this is a Dutch website, hondenplaneet.nl. So this is a website, but if you want to cloak this website, so if you have an affiliate link, for example, that you want to cloak, which means that you can add it to your own domain name. You can create a link in here. So when I create a new link, you can do the URL. So this could be an affiliate URL. And you could do a JavaScript redirect or an iframe or a server-side, simply 301 redirect, which will redirect it immediately. But if you do a JavaScript redirect, you can change the title, the description when people share it on Facebook, etc. You can upload an image, the image that people will see when you share it. And you can choose your own domain. So you can add your own domain also to this option. I don't have it right now. If you don't have it, you can also use the Let Mailbox domain name. So you can create a subdomain. So you could do, in this case, it will be dogs or honden in Dutch. And then you could also end the URL with food, for example. And then you can add a retargeting pixel. Now what that does is it's going to create a new link for you, which is this one. So when I show you this link, it is the honden.letmailbox.com. And now it will redirect. Now it will redirect automatically. But if I did it correct, it will... Sorry guys, my iPhone always messes up during my recordings. But if you do this correctly and you're taking the, let me get this link. Let me see it one more time. Honden.letmailbox. Well, it could also get you a cloak link, which means that it will show this website also on your cloaked link. I think I didn't do it correctly, so I did a redirect, an immediate redirect, and not the cloaked URL. But you could cloak your links, and then also you could get your statistics, etc. for these links. That's the upsell. So let me go back to the pricing. So you get the OTO, it's 27 monthly or 97 yearly. You got also the MailEngageX Conversio, which is the OTO2, which is also a very powerful product, which is similar to MailEngageX, but this is specifically built to put on your website, to create the conversions on your website. So you could also create pop-ups, etc. A lot of things that you can create with this upsell. This is definitely worth investing instead of using a monthly fee, what it's costing right now. Then there's also an OTO3, which is the franchise option. You have two options to create 100 accounts, agency licenses for $297 or 500 accounts for $497. Then there's also the MailEngage email writing playbook. This is a step-by-step video course that will teach you brutally effective email marketing strategies, and this will cost you $47. Now let's go to my bonuses that I'm going to give away if you decide to purchase MailEngageX through my link. So my first bonus is 400 fill-in-the-blank headlines. Now, headlines are the most important things when you send out emails because if you have the right headlines, if you have the correct headlines, people will open your emails much quicker. I mean, one headline or the other could double your opens. If you have the correct headline, people will open, and then it will also get you more sales. So I'm going to give you 400 fill-in-the-blank headlines that you can use. You can use this for any kind of topic, and it really boosts your conversions. Now, my second bonus is the same thing, only for emails. So I'm going to give you fill-in-the-blank email templates that you can use to promote your own products. It will also help you to write your emails with these fill-in-the-blank email templates, so it's easier for you to write your emails. Very cool product, very congruent to this whole product, and it's definitely something that you want to have in your toolbox. Then my third bonus is an email script software, and I wrote here, no more struggling writing your emails. It's never been easy to write emails. So this is an online tool that you're going to get access to, which will help you to write emails in different kind of niches also. Now, my fourth bonus is also one that you definitely will like, because normally you will say the money is in the list, okay? But the fortune is in the follow-up of your emails that you're going to send. If you send out one email, okay, you can make money. But if you send that out a follow-up, you can make way more. There's where the fortune is all about. And that's why I'm going to give away my 160-day email follow-up series that you can load into your autoresponder and send out every single day and make sales. This is a very, very, very valuable bonus that you definitely will like. Then my fifth bonus is 2,000 freebies to give away to build your list. Now, when I just got started in internet marketing, I had a very hard time finding freebies to give away, because when you have something to give away, you can build your email list. So you give something away, sign up to get this product for free, and people sign up and you start building your list. Now, if you do it this way, you give away these freebies. Let me see. If you do it this way, you give away these freebies, and then you're going to put the 160-day follow-up email series after that. I cannot see why you're not going to make sales with your emailing. So that's my bonus 5, 2,000 freebies to give away. And then bonus 6, I'm also going to give you 10 strategies, which is a video training from myself that I did. And in this personal training, I'll show you 10 strategies that I've used to create thousands of subscribers to my own list. So this is a training that you're also going to get as a 6th bonus. Now, if you upgrade, if you get one of the upgrades, I'm also going to give you exclusive access to my Re-Engager plugin, which is a very cool plugin that you can install on your WordPress website that will re-engage visitors to your website. So once people leave your tab, for example, they go to this tab, a message will pop up in your tab of your website, and this is a custom message that you can create, and it will drive visitors back to your website. And once they come back, a pop-up will show up, another redirect, a pop-up will show up, or an image will show up, or a sign-up form will show up. Anything that you like, you can do in that specific comeback. So this is an exclusive bonus that I'm going to give away if you get one of the upgrades that you definitely will like. So that is my review of MailEngageX. If you have any questions, make sure to ask them. Also, if you want to stay updated with my latest reviews, make sure you hit that notification button or the subscription button and the notification button so that you get the newest updates also in your mailbox. So that's it. If you have any questions, let me know. Don't forget to grab it through the link below this video. There's a link that will redirect you to my website. It's timverdal.com/MailEngageX, or simply click on that link below the video. And thank you for watching. Have an awesome day and talk soon. Bye-bye.